Hey guys, welcome back to Language Lounge. Today we've got something fun and relaxing for you, a summer movie playlist.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about some of our favorite films that feel like summer. The kind of movies that make you want to grab an ice cream, lay back, and enjoy the vibes.
And don't worry, we teach you some cool English words and expressions along the way too.
Romantic comedy with a unique storytelling style and catchy songs.
It is a unique and engaging romantic drama that breaks away from the typical love story formula. It presents a more nuanced and something painful depiction of relationships.
So get over her.
I don't want to get over her. I want to get her back.
Unique storytelling style، سبک داستان پردازی منحصر به فرد، catchy songs، آهنگای گیرا، break away، جدا شدن و فرار کردن، typical، معمول، nuanced، ظریف، depiction، تجسم. This one's a classic. It's about four friends that go their separate ways during the summer, but they stay connected through a pair of jeans that magically fits all of them.
It's funny, emotional, and really captures the feeling of teenage summer. It talks about friendship, family, love, and change.
Plus, it shows different locations like Greece, Mexico, and the US. So it's perfect for travel vibes too.
We're four best friends going our separate ways, but a shared pair of pants would keep us together.
Stay connected، در ارتباط ماندن. Capture the feeling، حس چیزی رو به خوبی نشون دادن. Travel vibes، حس و حال سفر. Magically، به طور جادویی.
Okay, this one is hilarious and kind of chaotic. It's about a family that goes on a road trip so their daughter can compete in a beauty pageant.
The van, the drama, the awkward moments, it's all so good. And it really shows that even imperfect families can still be full of love.
There's golden sunlight everywhere. It totally captures this sense of a summer road trip.
We're going to California.
Where's Olive?
Oh, no one gets left behind! No one gets left behind!
Road trip، سفر جاده‌ای. Awkward moments، لحظات ناجور یا خجالت آور. Imperfect but full of love، ناقص ولی پر از محبت. Capture، نشون دادن. Essence، ماهیت، اسانس. This one is underrated but so good. It's about a shy teenager who spends the summer in a beach town and slowly comes out of his shell.
Yeah, and he starts working at a water park and meets cool, weird people who help him grow. It's funny, warm, and a little emotional.
It's the ultimate find yourself during the summer story.
3. Who says that to somebody?
That's about him. That's got nothing to do with you.
How do you know?
Because I know. You gotta go your own way. And you, my friend, are going your own way.
This is the only place I'm happy. My doctor said not to get water on my face!
Underrated، کمتر از چیزی که لیاقتشو داره دیده شده. Come out of one's shell، از لاک خود در اومدن، اجتماعی تر شدن. Find yourself، خود را پیدا کردن، به شناخت از خود رسیدن. Shy teenager، نوجوان خجالتی.
Last but not least, okay, Before Sunrise. This one is not technically a summer movie, but it feels like one.
Exactly. Two strangers meet on a train and spend one night walking around Vienna, just talking and connecting.
It's deep, romantic, and full of beautiful conversation. It's the kind of movie that makes you want to travel and fall in love.
We just got into Vienna today, and we're looking for something fun to do.
Sprechen Sie English?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Do you speak German for a change?
Now I'm gonna call my best friend in Paris, who I'm supposed to have lunch with in 8 hours. Okay?
Okay.
Ring, ring. Pick up the phone.
Hello?
I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it for lunch today, I'm sorry. I met a guy on the train and I got off with him in Vienna. We're still there.
Are you crazy?
Probably. He has beautiful blue eyes, nice pink lips, frizzy hair. I love it.
Stranger غریبه. Connect with someone با کسی ارتباط برقرار کردن. Fall in love عاشق شدن. Deep and romantic عمیق و رمانتیک. That's our summer movie playlist. If you haven't seen these movies yet, what are you waiting for?
And if you have seen them, let us know which one is your favorite in the comments.
We see you next time on Language Lounge. Stay cool and keep learning English.